Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share this delicious chicken recipe. Now this is actually like a nice snack and there are a couple of steps involved. We are going to make these delicious chicken bread rolls. Now make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chicken bread roll, I've taken about half kilo of chicken with bone. First I'm going to cook the chicken. Add the chicken pieces to the pressure cooker. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper. Add about 1/3 cup of water. So just mix everything in. Pressure cook the chicken pieces for about 3 to 4 whistles. The chicken is completely cooked. Remove the chicken pieces, transfer it to a bowl. Cool it completely. Pour the remaining stock into a bowl and keep it aside. Once the chicken pieces have cooled down, shred the chicken pieces and keep it aside. So now I'm going to make the chicken filling. To a pan, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is heated, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies chopped. Just saute it for about 30 seconds. Next add 1 large onion finely chopped, a large piece of capsicum finely chopped. Saute the onions and capsicum for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, add half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything. Next add the shredded chicken and mix everything nicely. Keep the flame on a medium. So to enhance the flavors a little more, I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of the chicken stock. So this is optional. We don't want the filling to be too mushy or soggy, it has to be dry. So you can see the stock has just evaporated, but it's definitely going to add a lot more flavor to the filling. So I'm just adding some chopped spring onion whites and greens to give you a nice crunch. You can check for seasoning at this point, and I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. The chicken filling for the chicken bread rolls are done. Keep this aside. You can see how soft and juicy the chicken pieces are. Now that the filling is ready, next I'm going to prepare the bread. Cut all the edges of the bread. I've taken 1 loaf of white bread. You can use any bread of your choice. Dip the bread slice in water on both sides. Remove it and press it gently to squeeze out all the excess water. Place a little bit of the chicken filling in the center of the bread. Close it from all sides and seal it so that it's all rolled into one small ball. So you have rolled it nicely. You can see they are nice and cylindrical in shape. So make all the chicken bread rolls in this manner and keep them ready. Next I'm going to make the egg wash. For this I've cracked open 2 eggs. Gently whisk it and keep it aside. I have some breadcrumbs here. Dip one of the cylindrical bread roll into the egg wash. Make sure it's completely coated. Roll it into the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the chicken egg rolls in this manner and keep it aside. Next we're going to deep fry these bread rolls. Heat some oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on a medium. Gently drop in the bread rolls. Deep fry the bread rolls till they're a nice golden brown color and they're cooked all around. Once they've got this lovely golden brown color, remove them from the hot oil and serve it immediately, nice and hot, with some nice spicy mayo by the side. Here are these lovely, crispy and delicious chicken bread rolls, which makes for a perfect starter or a snack. Make sure you serve it nice and hot, either with some spicy mayo or ketchup by the side. So here are these delicious chicken bread rolls that you must try, and serve it nice and hot with some ketchup or spicy mayo by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.